Hello, good day everyone to my beloved viewers and listeners and watchers in this vlogs. For today's vlogs is I want to show or I want to share this very amazing stone creation from our God. Creation from our God, but before anything else, before I proceed, this very amazing creation, I would like to those people not yet subscribe or follow, and don't forget to share. By the way, I am Dongsar Adventure Official, and we start now. Let's go. This stone is very nice, very nice creation from our God. Take a look, and down underneath is very small, and the stone up is very balancing, very nice. Very nice stone. See, this stone is seem like, what do you think, my dear viewers? What do you think of this stone? Please comment down. See, very nice stone. See, very nice creation created. And there is some piece of cracked stone falling down there. See, and see what happened. If you like this video, please like and share, and that's all. Thank you very much for your watching, and don't forget to like and follow and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.